Good evening. This is Patty in Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I'm coming to you to show you how I cook my chicken and dumplings. First off, I wash my meat really well. This is chicken breast, and I like to brown mine first. I kind of sear it, so to speak, and I get it a little brown, and then I come here and I cut up my herbs and my seasoning. Now, I am from Louisiana, and I believe in the Trinity, and the Trinity consists of bell pepper, green onion, and celery. So I cut all of that up. Then I cut up some fresh parsley and some sweet red and orange peppers. So what I'm going to do next is take these seasonings and these herbs, and I am going to saute them in a little grease, a little cooking oil, and I use the grapeseed cooking oil. So I'm going to put all of this that I've chopped in the pot here to saute it. Okay? Just want you to see the process here. It is simple, it is inexpensive, and the dish is delicious. So these are my herbs and my veggies that I have chopped. Okay. All right. So then, this is what I'll do next. I will saute these, and I'm going to show you the cooking oil that I use. I use grapeseed oil, but of course you can use what you want. And let me show you the seasonings that I have used for my chicken. Poultry seasoning, Creole seasoning. You see it? I like this salt-free seasoning. I use that. I use Dash Blend and garlic powder. I love good seasoning, garlic pepper, and onion powder. I don't use salt, and I have the fresh parsley, so I don't worry about the parsley flakes. Okay, I'm sauteing this. Once I get my veggies and herbs sauteed the way I want them, then I will add my chicken, my cut up chicken breasts. I will add that to this pot. Okay, I have beaten a chicken bouillon cube, and this is chicken broth that I used, and I also used about a tablespoon of this broth base, chicken broth base. And once I mix all of that together, to thicken it, I have put in 2 tablespoons of flour, just any type flour, but I used all purpose. Okay, once I get all of this, let me turn up the heat and let this get sauteed really well. Then I'll add my chicken. And I have my seasonings, and I will taste to see if I need more seasoning. I don't use salt because I just don't use salt. I don't need it. It's not good for me, and I don't use it. Most of the seasons that I use are the salt-free seasons, but some of the other things like the base and some other things that I use probably already has a little sodium in it. Now, I buy the dumplings from the frozen counter, and these are the ones that I use. So the dumplings will be the last thing that I put in my my dumplings. I will come back in just a few and show you the end results. Hi, this is Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen coming to you with the finished product of my chicken and dumpling. It is delicious. It is simple, inexpensive. I'm late finishing it because I had to do a paparazzi Facebook Live tonight. I am also an independent paparazzi consultant and I sell $5 jewelry in addition to cooking in my kitchen. I love to cook, I love to try new dishes, and I use a lot of my family dishes, but I add my own uniqueness to it. So this is the chicken and dumpling. It is good. I mean, it is delicious. Let me taste it for you. Mmm. It is finger licking good. I'm not saying it because I cooked it, but it's good. And I walked you through it, but I need you to know that I eyeball a lot of stuff. I don't use a lot of recipes where I measure this and I measure that. I just kind of play with it and I come back and if it's not what I want the first time I cook it, I'll cook it another time. I may add some stuff, may take some stuff away, and you will learn to do the same thing. So here it is, mouth-watering, delicious. And Tyler is going to sample and tell you what he thinks about it. Oh, Tyler, what does it taste like?
It tastes delicious.
Mm-hmm. We're eating tonight at 11:30 Central Standard Time. I just finished up in the kitchen, so we will talk to you soon. I'll be coming with some more recipes soon. I'm going to do a bread pudding and some other things I'll tell you about later. Thanks. Please share, like, subscribe, and follow my page. And I thank you so much. Good night.